Are you an engineer or designer stuck between a rock and a hard place? You need powerful simulation tools like FEA and CFD, but the price tag and the hardware needed for traditional software are just crippling. That's likely why you're here, searching for an honest SimScale review. In this video, we're cutting through the marketing hype. We invested over 100 hours rigorously testing the SimScale platform to tell you if this cloud-based software is actually worth your money in 2025. We didn't just look at features. We ran 2 real-world projects to put it to the test. A thermal analysis on a densely packed PCB enclosure to find hotspots, and a full computational fluid dynamics study on a vehicle spoiler to analyze airflow and downforce. So how did it perform? First up, finite element analysis. For our thermal simulation on the PCB, setting up materials and boundary conditions was incredibly intuitive. We were able to quickly generate clear heat maps and temperature plots, identifying potential design issues in minutes. For static, dynamic, and thermal structural analyses, SimScale proves to be a robust and accessible tool. But where SimScale truly shines is with CFD. For our vehicle spoiler test, we used their lattice Boltzmann solver, and it was a genuine game changer. It handled the complex geometry with ease, which saved a massive amount of time on mesh cleanup. Visualizing the airflow and pressure plots was seamless. The ability to run dozens of design iterations in parallel in the cloud is something your desktop workstations simply cannot match. After all our testing, a clear picture emerged. So let's break down the pros and cons, starting with the good stuff. First, unmatched accessibility. All you need is a web browser. No powerful computer, no OS issues. Second, it's cost-effective. The subscription model is way more affordable than a massive upfront license fee, which is huge for small businesses and consultants. Third, collaboration. Sharing a live simulation with a client or colleague. Using just a link is a huge step up from emailing massive files. And finally, the biggest pro, parallel computing. You can run multiple simulations at once without tying up your own hardware, which can exponentially accelerate your design cycle. But of course, no platform is perfect. Here are the downsides. While the basics are easy, there is a learning curve for advanced features like custom meshing. For extremely niche, highly specialized physics, desktop giants like ANSYS or Abaqus may still offer more granular control. And the most obvious one, you need an internet connection. If you're offline, you have no access to your work. So the final verdict, is SimScale worth it? The answer really depends on who you are. For small to medium-sized businesses, individual consultants and students, it is an absolute game changer. It gives you enterprise-level simulation power, without the enterprise-level price tag. However, if you're a massive corporation, with a team of dedicated experts already deep into a highly specialized desktop suite, it might not replace your current workflow, but could be a great supplementary tool. For the vast majority of engineers and designers looking to break free from the constraints of desktop software, SimScale isn't just worth it, it's transformative. If you got value from this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into engineering software. And let me know in the comments, have you tried cloud simulation? What was your experience? Thanks for watching.